more leads, more traffic, and more selling opportunities. Pretty much sums up what every dealer wants their ad campaign to deliver. Hi, I'm Ron Heider, president and owner of HMA. Thanks for taking time to check out the website and see if HMA might be a good fit for you and your dealership. You know, at HMA, we got a pretty simple mission, which is to help our clients sell more while spending less. Now, to do that, we created a turnkey marketing system that combines all of the different mediums into a single platform that we believe every dealer needs to use to be successful. Digital ads, social media, local search, retargeted ads, online video, even reputation. We took all those core mediums and put them together in a single platform and do all the work so you don't have to, and you actually get to focus on what you really want to do, which is your people and your customers. The result? You get a sales-oriented marketing campaign that's managed by a group of automotive marketing professionals that's working to drive qualified leads and customers to you and your dealership. So go ahead and take a look at the website and be sure to check out some of the how-to articles and videos. And when you're ready to see if our turnkey marketing system is right for you and your dealership, let me know so we can schedule a time to chat. Thanks again for your time. And until we speak, I wish you good selling.